producer otherwise. Yo, sorry, Uskarusuwa, man. We're just a small show. We are still starting, so Bona
Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang.
You already know what it is. This is the hottest show on the planet. Wait, today we're like so this is the hottest show on the planet. You are now watching Bona Kena le Mang.
The hottest show on the planet, Mankoko, baby.
Yes, sir. So yeah, I love the energy. So before we go anywhere, tell us a bit about yourself. Like, who is this Mankoko baby that we always hear about for radio?
Wow, Mankoko baby, it's me, myself, and I, born and bred in Mokopane, grew up in Mokopong, and because I'm working go Polokwane, go ThobelaFm, so I'm staying in Polokwane in Mankweng, and yeah, like any other kid, he gets in school. I told myself I want to be a doctor. Unfortunately, the Bagya showbiz, it hit hard. I decided, oh no, this is where I want to be. Showbiz is my home, and that is why now I'm working for ThobelaFm. I've done television, I've done radio, I've done stage. Hey, I love showbiz, man. Yeah.
You know what's the biggest news or wonderful news right now that I'm about to tell you? Is that you are a doctor. You know, every category has a doctor. Like in music, there's somebody who did all that and he's so big, they call him the doctor of the industry. You become a doctor of the music, like Dr. Dre. We have doctor in well, no matter where you at, there's a doctor in that. I'm a doctor in DJing, so that means I'm so great that I know everything. Because actually a doctor knows a lot of things about your. So you are the doctor of radio.
Thank you so much for that, because there are a lot of people who are telling me that, look, when we listen to you on the radio, each and every show that you do, we get healed if we feel down and everything. So
I didn't want to say that.
Thank you so much.
I know you. So you smart. That's why you wanted to be a doctor. I just shortened it so you see, you heal people, you taking over. So yeah, okay. So what is it that you do when you are not on radio? Like when you are not on the radio, what is it that you do?
You know, growing up, it was so hard. So I told myself that I don't want people around me to grow up the way that I did. Hence, I started Mankoko Baby Foundation. I'm changing people's lives. Making sure that people, like students who doesn't have school fees, those don't have fees at all. They want to go to varsity, they want to go to high school, or wherever industry they want to go into. I assist them via their foundation. Those kids who doesn't have parents, I make sure that they have school shoes, school uniform, and I give them food. It doesn't mean that Mankoko Baby has money. I go all out and search and knock on the doors of those people who have whatever that they have in their account, in their homes. Then they give us food, money, so that we can change other people's lives. That's exactly what is keeping me busy when I'm not at work.
Wow, that was like, and I believe you, because you know what? I was actually sitting here for like an hour or so, but now yet I'm like, she's still with the fans. Like, I don't see anybody do that. Like most of the celebrities, I'm not saying like that because I'm also the celebrity in the coming years. So I just say like they are rude a bit. But you, I was like watching you like with the fans. I'm like, yeah, that's a very great thing that you do. So yeah, so here we go now. What are the challenges on the radio?
Yo, there are a lot. You know, on radio, there are people that you can work with, people who think that by fitly, and if you can tell yourself that I'm here, I'm done, then that's the beginning of your failure. You need to practice every day, you need to research every day. You know that you're working with different people. Make sure that people who are listening to you, they get something new from you on daily basis, because we know that we have academics who are listening to us. If you can tell yourself that I know everything, then you are done, you're dead. So make sure that you do your research. And people, they believe that you need to live your life the way that they want.
Okay, you already know what it is. You're watching the hottest show on the planet. Don't forget to do them things. Thank you for the ad. So you already know what it is, my friend. So yeah, tell us the inspiration. What inspired you to get into radio?
I used to love Shero Twala. The lady made me who I am today. And the fact that when I went to ThobelaFM, I got hold of the late Lady Jo Maboja. That guy, he was a giant. He taught me everything that I know today about radio. So looking at him doing whatever he does best made me realize that I can do this. If Maboja can do that, I can also do it. And maybe the love for radio grew into TV, stage and everything, and changing people's lives made me realize that I can do that through radio.
Your energy is more of an artist, yeah, artist. Like, you really know what it is. It's okay, impression now. You all have radio impressions, those ones, yeah. So I'm gonna challenge you for yours. You do yours, and I make sure I kill it.
Okay, on the hardest show, and those who are dedicated to Nakina Mankoko baby, come like a intelligent Ratala didn't or give a second in Sona. Bona Kamita, what challenge over level and Kena le Mang.
Pee on the big baby. So you already know what it is, but fit it is the hardest. You already know what it is. I killed it. I definitely killed it. So yeah, you believe that I killed it? Right? Oh, you want me to like? Okay, that's the hardest show on the I can definitely, but I'm gonna go to radio and challenge this. You guys, my people trust me. They know I can definitely do it. So this is my show. You cannot come and shine on my show. You are shining like you're killing everything. So I must kill this one. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are now watching the hardest show on the planet. I'm chilling here with you. And I'm Mankoko baby. You already know what it is. This is the hardest. Woo! Woo! I killed that one. So yeah, what can you say to your fans and everybody that's looking up to you, since like we don't have time, but your fans, they want to know guys. So yeah,
guys, I love you. I am Mankoko baby. Growing up, I was selling cabbage, I was selling bananas, I was selling willies. I didn't grow up with everything that I had.
The name.
When I started working for ThobelaFM, I was the youngest. I was 21 when I started working. So Lady Jo gave me the name Mankoko baby. I was just using Mankoko baby. So he used to call me baby. And then said, no, let's join the two together. Let me just call you Mankoko baby. That's where the name.
Who are you chilling with here? The big baby. They call me the big baby. This is for my semblance for being the big baby. Yeah. So yeah, okay. Anyway, not to
So
to your fans and all, and
to my friends and everyone who made me who I am today, never allow your situation to determine your future. Do whatever that you wanna do. If you wanna do it, go for it.
Definitely. So what do you wanna be remembered as? In closing.
Mankoko baby. Suppose I die. Lord have mercy on me. It's not gonna happen anytime soon. I want people to remember me as the radio giant who made sure that people doesn't die the very same way they came into this world. They change. I just want to make sure that when they think of me, they think of that person who made sure that they get to wherever that they wanted to be.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't kill you.
Yes, ma'am. You know what I'm saying? Because the soldier clothing. And you see, since we are on live, people are going to remember you. We're going to remember you as somebody who came to the show as a soldier. Definitely winning this war.
Thank you so much.
The struggle and
You're
everything.
the best, man.
Yeah.
You're the best.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. On live. You said it live. Guys. That was... Thank you very much. So, yeah, Leslie, where they can follow you and all that, if they bookings and all everything like that.
Okay, Naki Mankoko baby on Facebook, Ki Mankoko MBF, Instagram, Mankoko_Mukari, on Twitter, Mankoko B. Yeah, that's me.
Thank you, guys. We in and we out. You are watching the hardest show on the planet. I'm here with my commander-in-chief, Mankoko baby. You already know. We out.
Bona Kena le Mang.